But we start tonight with a controversial topic really across the state. Keep in mind, on Monday, Governor Gavin Newsom signed a new law that prevents school districts from outing students to parents. He was sued the next day. ABC 10's Devin Truby is live at the state capitol with the very latest tonight. Devin.
Chris, the new law the governor signed doesn't go into effect until January, but that's why the law firm says the arguments need to happen now. Meanwhile, advocates are concerned this is going to cause yet another tumultuous school year as some students are headed back to the classroom in less than a month.
A divisive issue packing school board meetings across the state, including at Rockland Unified and Dry Creek Joint Elementary School District. Assembly Bill 1955 is against parental notification policies stating schools must notify parents if their child wishes to change their gender identity at school. Newsom signed 1955, the Safety Act, Monday, banning schools from outing students to their parents. The Chino Valley Unified School District and 8 families sued him for it the next day.
Parents have the right to direct the upbringing and education of their children. Parents have the right to make decisions for their children. It violates the First Amendment free exercise clause in that, our parent plaintiffs are Christian and they are raising their children Christian, and their religion says that, gender is immutable.
Emily Ray is an attorney with the Liberty Justice Center. She's arguing the law violates the First and 14th Amendments, but also FERPA, which gives parents certain rights to school records. Bill author Assemblymember Chris Ward argues, what about the Fourth Amendment, the student's right to privacy?
This absolutely harms youth. It sets them back. As somebody who is myself had to go through the coming out process, it's very personal.
His bill goes into effect in January. It stops districts from enacting so-called outing policies, provides resources to students and parents, and prevents retaliation to staff.
It still does allow for situations where, as mandated reporters, if you're seeing that a student is having a declining experience, it doesn't prohibit the disclosure of information. It prohibits requiring all teachers to forcibly out students if they hear some of this hearsay, and that's an important distinction.
Christy Hurst is a mom of 3 children in the district suing Newsom. She says she's watched her district spend $1 million in legal fees on this fight. But she also represents thousands of kids and their families across the U.S. with Our Schools USA.
You do have students who are not safe to go home and tell their families, and schools cannot be successful if students do not feel safe.
The Safety Act does not prohibit teachers from sharing gender identity information with parents. It just makes it so they aren't required to, giving teachers discretion.
The law firm says there is still time for other school districts to join the lawsuit if they wanted to. We reached out to Rockland Unified but did not hear back. We did connect with a Dry Creek Board of Trustee member. They sent us to the communications office where we did not hear back. Reporting live from the Capitol, Devin Truby, ABC 10.
Again, this is a developing story, so stay with us for updates on air and online at abc10.com. Devin Truby live for us tonight. We thank you.